Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique, and in today's video I'm doing this very extra makeup tutorial with this look. So if you want to see how I got this dramatic springtime golden green look, then keep watching. Hi guys, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my lips. This is the Soothing Touch Coconut Lime Lip Balm. It's vegan, 85% organic, made with organic cacao and shea butters. And this I got from Whole Foods. This is the second time I purchased it. They have it in different flavors. This cost under $3. I think it was $2.79, and I love the way it feels. It has a very light scent and it's very moisturizing. If you've never tried this before, you gotta try it. Next, we're moving on to my face. I am using the e.l.f. Mineral Primer to give my face a smooth surface to apply foundation. Next, I'm using the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the color 3CP03 Deep. I'm going to be using my concealer brush to apply the orange. I'm just putting this in the darker areas of my face where there's some discoloration, under my eyes, my laugh lines. I can't help it, I love to laugh, and I like to blend it in a little bit. Next, this is my Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream in the color Chocolate. My beauty blender, by the way, is damp, maybe a little too damp. That's why I look a little shiny. Most of the time I'm just fine with just using this, but today I want to go a little overboard. Using another foundation. This foundation, as you can see, is a lighter complexion. I'm going to use this one in the areas that I want to brighten. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the color N8 Cappuccino. Taking my beauty blender and applying that to certain areas of my face. I'm going to add concealer. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. If you're just using it to conceal, then you don't have to you don't have to drag it down so much. You could just do a little bit. This is what being extra looks like. Hi, welcome to the club. It's okay if you don't want to be extra. It's alright. Still welcoming you with open arms. Taking my Black Radiance Translucent Powder in the color 8620. My broken powder, so upset. So I'm going to go in with my triangular sponge and I'm going to set my concealer. Moving on to my brows, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. I do have an eyebrow tutorial if you guys want a more in-depth explanation. I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my lids and also define my brows. And this actually hides some of the imperfections of my untweezed eyebrows. To contour, I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the color 8614 Cafe, and yes, it was $1.40. I got it at Target, and that was in my haul video. So I'm going to take this clean side of this sponge and just dab it there. This is actually an eyeshadow brush from Equal Tools, but because it's so thin and dense, I'm going to use that to contour my nose. It looks more natural when you start from your eyebrows and go down. There's naturally a shading, a shadow right there, so just use that to guide your hand. I'm using two palettes for my eyes today. I'm starting off with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the color USP03 Warm Neutrals. Taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be using this taupe color as my base. And I'm applying that all over my lid and my brow bone. I'm taking this color right here, applying that just on my lid. I want to have a very white base, so the next color that I put on will be very vibrant. For a transition color, I'm going to be taking this brown right here. I'm using my e.l.f. crease brush. And this is going to go just in the crease so I can have a very smooth transition. Next, I'm taking this palette right here. This is the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders eyeshadow palette, and it has shimmers and mattes, and I just bought this as well, so if you want more information on that as far as the pricing, where I purchased it, you can check out my Amazon/Target haul video, and it'll have that information below. Please don't mind the dog barking outside. What I'm going to do is go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, apply it to my lid. So I'm just taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be using this color right here, the Evergreen, and I'm just going to focus this on my lid. I'm going to use my e.l.f. crease eyeshadow brush and taking a transition color, another transition color. I'm going to use Supreme in my crease. I'm going to go back in with Evergreen to add more of this gorgeous green. I'm going to take it up a little bit more on my lid. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush to blend everything out, get rid of any harsh lines. I'm going to go back to the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, this taupe color right here for my brow eyeshadow. Taking my blending brush, then taking my blending brush and blending it out. The other star of this look right here, I can't decide between Element or Moss. Which one? Tell me, comment down below, tell me which one. I can't decide. In the meantime, as I'm waiting for you to leave your comment, I'm going to go back in with Supreme and apply that to the lower lash line. Did you guys decide yet? Did you make up your mind yet? I'm going to go with Moss. It's so pretty. It changes color every time the light hits it. It has a flecks of green too. Were you right? Did you pick Moss? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you were right. So I know it's going to pop but I wanted to pop a little bit more. I told you today we're being a little extra. So I'm going to go back in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer. I just want to put it right here, right in the center. So I'm going to use my concealer brush to have a little bit more control over it. So I'm using my Equal Tools eyeshadow brush to pick up moss. So now I'm going to brush off the excess powder. I'm going to take my Equal Tools brush and just brush everything off. I'm going to set my face using the L'Oreal True Match powder in the color N8 Cappuccino. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner pen. I'm not using false lashes for this look. I have my method for getting fuller, longer looking lashes without false eyelashes. I do have a video about that. Next, I'm just going in with just a regular black eyeliner. Then going with my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Eyelash Primer in the color White. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Very Black. Next, for blush, I'm taking the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. And I'm using my Equal Tools brush to apply it. For highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the color Flawless. And I'm applying it with my e.l.f. bronzing brush. I'm just using the Equal Tools angled eyeliner brush to apply it. Next, I'm going to take the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Limbo. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. It smells really good. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and I'm just gonna line my lips to give it some highlight so I can look a little bit more plump or full. Again, I don't need that, but this is the extra tutorial video for me, so we're just gonna try it. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit more. I did go back in with my NYX eyebrow pencil to clean up my brows more. For highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the color Flawless. To set everything, I'm using my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again with my next one.